If you've been seeing ads for Balmbare Hair Revive Gummies and wondering if they're the secret to fuller, healthier hair, you're not alone. These gummies are everywhere right now and promise to support hair growth, balance hormones, and even fight hair loss caused by DHT. The formula highlights trendy ingredients like sea moss, pearl powder, aloe vera, and vitamin E, all of which sound impressive on paper. On the positive side, Balmbare does provide a transparent ingredient list so you know what you're actually consuming. The gummies come in an easy, tasty format, which makes them more appealing than pills, and there are multiple customer support channels if you need to reach them, which adds a layer of credibility. But when you dig deeper, there are some red flags that make it hard to take the bold claims at face value. For starters, the brand boasts about being featured in big outlets, like Elle and Vogue, yet there are no direct links or proof of those mentions. They also show what's presented as a doctor endorsement, but the photos appear mismatched and raise questions about authenticity. Another issue is the claim that the product is clinically tested, yet there are no published studies, lab reports, or third-party verifications available for consumers to read. And while the reviews on their official website look glowing, many of them come across as overly polished, almost like they were copied and pasted rather than from real buyers. So what does all this mean for someone considering Balmbare Hair Revive Gummies? The product certainly has a few positives, especially in terms of convenience and ingredient transparency, but the lack of solid evidence, questionable marketing tactics, and potentially fake endorsements make it hard to know if it's truly effective or just another overhyped supplement.